So, we're on this little boat ride for a kids show I've never heard of, or some kids stuff that I've never heard of. There's a postman who's also a fireman thing. Oh look. There's the ride to happiness, which for anyone who's interested, I think is not a ride to happiness, it's just rubbish. It was very shuffly. There's a couple of balls for those who like balls. Puzzle piece. I reckon that is going to be a baboon when finished. That's my guess. A baboon. Yeah. So I'm just chilling out, relaxing, having a nice day at Plopsaland De Panne. Oh. As you can see, there's things. There's a roller skater themed to what I gather is some form of female Belgian version of Bewitched. So yeah, but it says I love you, so at least someone loves me. Again, ride to happiness. Been on it once, that was more than enough. I'm now going backwards and I'm missing out on this book behind me with more balls and a submarine. Oh, and this is where we spin. Oh, yeah. This park is a very lovely park. It gives me very much like Legoland vibes without the Lego, which I'm cool with. Yeah, this is called Tik Tak. Not to be confused with the very small minty confectionery that you can buy. But hey ho. This isn't quite as good as Dora's World Voyage at Blackwall Pleasure Beach. But then what is? Because that's got a great song. Oh look. Happiness, apparently. I mean, of the two what I would consider major coasters here, I would say Anubis is better. Controversial, I know. But hey, you know what they say, controversy creates cash. So, yeah. Somebody's playing their trumpet. Because there's more of this storybook. Kaleidoscope. There's a guy here with his digger, but it's got a grabber on the end, and he's grabbing up his blocks and putting them in his trolley. And he's probably earning minimum wage at best. But at least he's got a job. I respect hard-working people. Look, he's obviously built this little house. Good for him. Good for him. As we come round, we're gonna see some sheep going around in a circle, because that's what sheep apparently do. Pandas playing Twister, maybe? And I don't want to know why his mouth is like that. But hey ho, the sun is out apparently, and he's smiling away because he's a happy egg. As we're going to soon be coming to the end of our adventure here at Plopsaland De Panne on the Tik Tak something junior ride. As we're right next to the #LikeMe coaster. But hey ho, thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button. I'll see you very soon.